Do you want to infuse a little more personality into your text files? Then you can also change the font in your Windows Notepad for a more personalized feel, and we can show you exactly how to do that in this video. Now in Windows 11, just search for Notepad, click this gear icon on the right, choose Font, look for the text formatting menu, select the font family, style, and size you want to use, and this will change the font of the entire file, so any bolding or italicizing will be applied to the entire document. But if you're currently using Windows 10 or earlier version, you can open Start menu, search for Notepad, click Format, choose Font. Then this will open a separate window that will display all the font options, font styles, and font size. Now you have to select the font, style, and size you want to use. Now this will change the font of the entire file, so any bolding or italicizing will be applied to the entire document. Once done, click OK to save your settings. Now, when you type in Notepad, you will be using your chosen font. So that's how you can change the default font for your Windows Notepad in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.